So the customer told us to check a oil leak by the compressor head. They just had the mounting gasket replaced and supposedly it's still leaking. So I started looking, around the front cover, and then I worked my way to the back and made sure there wasn't nothing loose. And I noticed, took my light and I looked right here, and I noticed there's some oil down here. So I just took my hand and just started moving this, and well, I think I found one leak, because if that's loose, it will cause oil to leak. You can see it. It's coming out this side and that other side. I don't know if camera catches that real well. So I'm going to continue to make sure there's nothing else loose and make sure it is just that, maybe blowing back. But for now, looks like it might be the culprit.